Hi guys, do you want to import Vietnamese paper but do not know which company to choose? Don't worry, this is not your own problem. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 reputable paper exporters in Vietnam. And now, let's go! The first name that comes to mind is the Long Binh branch of Olam Vietnam, an international corporation with business networks in more than 67 countries worldwide. On the barren land of Gia Lai, Olam has successfully built a high-quality paper farm and developed more than 325 hectares of paper planted on degraded forest land. With subsequent capacity additions, Olam Spices is today one of the largest origin paper grinders, exporting more than 20,000 tons of paper in 2021. Founded in 2006, One has affirmed its position with key export products such as white pepper, black pepper, and has expanded its market to more than 100 countries worldwide. In 2016, One built a clean, safe, and sustainable raw material area in Đắk Lắk province with a total area of 650 hectares of clean pepper. One Trading Group exported nearly 24,000 tons of pepper, ranked second in the list of the Vietnamese largest paper exporters in 2021. 3. Phuc Sinh. Known as the King of Pepper, Phuc Sinh was founded in 2001, built its first clean paper factory called The Spy, and expanded the market to more than 98 countries around the world. From 2006 up to now, Phuc Sinh ranks first in paper export revenue with about 8% of the global market. In 2019, the company officially launched free dry paper products in the domestic market under the brand name K Pepper. It exported about 17,000 tons of paper in 2021. 4. Nesspice. Nesspice Processing Vietnam is part of the Dutch privately owned Nesspice Group. Nesspice has built the world's leading modern paper sorting factory with a capacity of 25,000 tons per year in Binh Phuoc, accounting for about 7 to 8% of Vietnam's paper exports. In 2021, Nesspice exported about 20,000 tons of paper, an increase of 32% in quantity compared to 2019. However, you see, these names are completely unfamiliar to the majority because they specialize in supplying raw materials or processing to large global companies. So if you are a small to medium importer, the choices may not be suitable. Instead, you should work with some others, maybe smaller but prominent companies. And the number 5 is K Agriculture. Being a part of K Global Group, K Agriculture was established in 2016 with the mission of bringing the best Vietnamese agricultural products to the world. Besides rice, coffee, and spices, pepper is one of our key export products. We have a pepper factory in Quang Thi with a capacity of 3,000 tons, providing different types of pepper with assurance quality under international standards. Cooperating with farmers, we are building a clean and sustainable paper chain from production to processing because for us, quality is king and customer trust is the largest valuable reward. Contact us to get the best price and the latest news about the paper market today. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to get more useful information. Thanks and see you soon.